You got to see this video. Look what these people do. Okay, let this explain itself to you. Ready?
The vaccine. When we poke ya, well, we know you're gonna be safe from COVID infecting you. When you go out, yeah, I know you're gonna hug and not worry, it might kill you. And we will shoot 500 vials and we will stick 500 more just to be the vax who shoots 500 vials. What are you waiting for?
It's crazy. It's crazy. Look, I'm just like mindless drones. Whatever you want me to say, Overlord. Whatever shalt thou say? Like, didn't Jones say it best? What will you have me do, Lord? Corrupt destroy the child, corrupt them all. Look, I'm telling you, scary, scary. If you don't know Jesus as your Lord and Savior, I would be freaked out about today. Like, they're trying to force chemical ingestion. What's in, come on. Be safe. Trust in Jesus. He's the only way.